Okay, we just got to Newport. We're gonna do an experiment because we went to Garibaldi, I don't know, this summer, and somebody was using this in their crab bait, and they were killing it on that Garibaldi dock. We have shad, we have herring, but I'm gonna try this. So we have chicken drumsticks that we got at the store. Now, canola oil. You could use vegetable oil, whatever. I'm gonna do this. Okay, and then we're gonna rub them on. Now, I should have done this before I touched the oil a bit. We're gonna use garlic. If it works for fish, it's gonna work for crab. I'm gonna marinate these, and we're gonna use these tomorrow, maybe tonight. We'll show you how they work. Okay. So here's the drumsticks. I'm gonna put more chicken in here later, but right now this is my concoction to try it out. And I mix these in with the shad and the herring because the sea lions here are vicious. If you just put seafood in them, they will try and open them. We've had it happen before. Don't ever use fish in a ring, ever here. You will lose your trap. Only use fish if you have a heavy cage, and make sure you mix it with chicken so that the sea lions are less enticed to go get it. Anyways, we'll update you when we start putting the traps in. Have a good day.